Struggling to find a chic hairstyle that's easy to manage? Uncover the secrets to effortlessly stylish medium-length cuts that will revolutionize your daily routine. The French cut combines blunt ends with layered lengths for a chic, full look. Perfectly perched at the collarbone, the Clavi Cut adds sophistication to any style. With its adaptability, the long bob suits every occasion and hair texture. Layers give the medium cut a playful and voluminous dynamic. Designed for curls, this cut amplifies your hair's natural shape and bounce. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with the latest hairstyle trends.